What up guys, this is Remy Elbow, and today we're going to show you how to clean a PS4 Slim. Guys, we're going to show you how to clean a PS4 Slim. So see, this is the back, the little side, it has vents on each side, and what you want to do is make sure there's no disc under. You want to pull okay, this is the back. See, you want to pull from the front right here. From these corners you want to pull up. You're gonna hear it snap. Like that, okay? It's gonna come off. Don't worry, you did not break your PS4. See those little dusts right there? And now you can see these little vents. See those little vents? What you want to do is grab a toothbrush. Make sure there's no dust on these little vents. You know, it looks pretty clean, but that's because I maintain my PS4 pretty clean all the time. And you want to scrape right here in between because there's vents right here too. If you want, I'll show you guys. It's really hard, but you can see there's vents under there too. And yes, you want to do that for each side. Make sure you get the dust out of there. Make sure you scrape right here on the back. Sorry if it's shaky, dude. I have this weird tripod that's just wobbling. Make sure you do not mess with this. This is the wife of a 10. Do not mess, do not screw with nothing. See this fan? You can scrape the dust by going like this. Make sure you know you clean it. And make sure you get one of these yourself. One of these. It's for cleaning dust. They're not that expensive. And this little straw, you want to take it, put it right here. If you hear noise in the background, it's just the TV. And what you want to do is you can start from the vents or start right here, or you can blow dust from right here from the back, but make sure you know what you're doing. This is for the PS4 Slim, okay? If it's for like PS4 Pro or PS4, the one before this one came out, then go to another video because it's a different process. And yeah, so that's for the PS4 Slim. So yes, if you have PS4 Slim, then continue watching this. So it's gonna be a little loud. Just keep doing that. Don't worry, if the can gets cold, that is normal. You have to have a lot of string in your fingers. So hold the fan, because you don't want the fan spinning. You don't want the fan spinning. See how it starts to spin? You don't want that. So hold it down with your finger. And that is so the dust comes off the fan. And then right here, make sure you blow it. You blow like on the little grooves. So what I'm learning from here is you have to shake it. You have to shake this a little bit. That's what I did. And then the air gets stronger. So do that. And it's gonna be really cold, so just be aware if you can stand cold, wear gloves because the can gets really cold. Just keep shaking it like this. Yeah, it sounds wrong, but just, you know, you gotta do this because I don't know, that's just how it works. That's just how it works, and that's what I figured out. Make sure the fan's really clean, because this is what's gonna keep your PS4 really cold and clean. And the vents too, make sure the vents are clean, because that's what's gonna keep your PS4 as cool as possible. So as I showed you earlier, there's vents right here, so you want to blow those little vents under here. You can blow out the little vents under here and then the HDMI port and all those little ports. And then you just continue what you're doing. You can blow those little vents to anything that you can think of. You can blow over here too in the front. And if you can see that little straw you blow right here in the front, that's where this stripe is at. Don't mind me moving a little bit, I don't have two hands here. So what you do is you blow right there, because that's where the disc goes. You want to make sure that shit's clean too. Okay, once you're out of this and you clean as clean as possible, then you're good. I'm going to show you how to put this back together. It's really easy. Before you put this back together, just make sure you get those little dusters out with a toothbrush. Okay, now we're gonna put this back on, but make sure that the PS4 logo and the Sony logo go over here. See how I slide it right there? Well, it's easier either way, but you can slide it from the back too. It's easier if you slide it from the back. See, if you slide it from the front, you're gonna have trouble. So slide it from the back. And tell you how easy that was. Make sure everything's clipped in. Once you hear everything snap in, you're Gucci. And that's how you clean your PS4 Slim. See you in the next one.